What's going on, guys? Manny here. I'm very excited to tell you guys that I've decided to do my at-home business, finally, like my own side hustle at home, to do like a little automotive service thing. I'm already working, for those who don't know, I'm working 6 days a week. This is strictly a side hustle only because I don't really get that much time to do this stuff. I posted on my Instagram story like, hey, I'm doing winter tire swaps, like very simple, basic, you know, only 25 bucks. I'm charging relatively cheap. The first package I'm dropping is the winter tire swap package. It's perfect timing because the weather's getting really cold now. I'm only charging $25 if your tires are on rim. I don't care too much about the money right now. I'm looking at the progress, like how we grow, because as you know, there's so many other services that I could be doing, but I just want to get the ball rolling and see how I can work with, you know, clientele, creating a business for myself. But if it's something you guys do end up enjoying, leave a sub, you know, become a subscriber. We're trying to grow this page out. We're almost at 1,000 subs. Every subscriber is part of Zilla Squad, remember that. But let's get this going, you know, let's get to work, baby. Episode 1, let's get it.
Wow, first customers.
Yeah, for real. Alright guys, so I decided to do a little bit of commentary to help you guys understand what you're seeing right now. So I'm just testing out the sockets, and then I end up using this tool right here. It's called a breaker bar. It's this long metal bar. It's going to help me break free the lug nuts, and that's going to make my job a lot easier with this swap, because now when I lift it up with the jack, I can use my power tool here and quickly just take off the wheel. And luckily this customer only had around 30,000 kilometers on their vehicle, so really there was no issues, no you know, play in the suspension. Even the brakes were good. So here I'm just taking off the passenger front and passenger rear wheels.
Yeah, brakes are good.
I end up using this spray. It's called Anti-Seize, and it's gonna make sure that the wheels don't stick on next time I have to take them off.
Lou, out, get out, get out.
Now I'm just putting on the winter tires.
And it's like, today's a good day to do this too, because then it's gonna get cold.
I'm going to use this tool right here. It's called a torque wrench. Very, very important. It's going to make sure that the wheels are tightened to the proper specification. When you hear the click sound, that means I've reached the proper tightness, so that I'm not over tightening the wheels, and I'm making sure that they're not left loose, because that would be dangerous. So now I'm just repeating this on the other side. So now we're working on the driver's side. So now that the wheels are properly installed, the only thing left is to adjust the tire pressures.
It's 30.
No, that's fine.
Oh, thank you. First customer is Dorian. When I get my own shop, I will bless you guys for sure. Gotta start somewhere.
No, but listen, that's the main thing. You start somewhere, and little by little,
Yeah.
like after this, like even if this season you change that with a rim,
Yeah.
you save up some money and you buy one a little machine.
Exactly.
For the thing,
Exactly.
right? I mean, it might be a $5,000-$6,000 investment.
Yeah, but that's a good investment.
Alright, so we just got finished with the first job. Some things I want to, you know, note down that I could do better on. I was struggling to set up everything. You know, my garage isn't the biggest, but it's not really that organized right now. But that's one thing I gotta work on, organizing my stuff before a customer comes, because then, you know, I'm ready to go. I don't want them waiting on me. I want to have everything set up so that when they come here, I get straight to work. You know, I don't want to waste their time. But luckily, the first customer was one of my close friends, Tamara. You know, she's also on my YouTube channel. I did a video where I painted her bike and then I revealed it at the end. If you want to see that, it's on my channel. But big shout out to her because, you know, she's very supportive, like all my close friends. You know, I posted on Instagram my story about me doing the swaps. Her dad needed to do a swap. She came to me right away, and she's even talking to her friends about it. So thank you, Tamara. I appreciate everything you're doing. Yeah, now we're gonna set up everything before the second customer comes. We're gonna do another swap, and then we're gonna wrap it up for the day. Pretty simple day. But before starting my next job, all the tools that I knew I was gonna use, I put on my driveway, so that way I had them ready to go. So the organization, you know, we're slowly getting there. We get a little bit of points for that. Luckily, I had just enough time to squeeze in a little wiper blade change for my own vehicle before this customer did arrive.
It's perfect timing. I have chairs where you can just sit down, chill with me.
So what you're about to see here is me inspecting the winter tires before I actually installed them, and it's a really good thing that I did that because 2 of the winter tires had very little tread left. It made 0 sense to install them, so what I ended up doing was advising the customer to replace the 2 that needed to be replaced, and the other 2 that had pretty decent tread, we were going to install them in the front.
Yo, Talia, I just want to show you this. I could put these on, but these are really low. The tread?
Okay.
Yeah, it's low.
So yeah, I can see.
You can see it's getting low,
Yeah.
right? See this one? This one's okay,
Yeah.
right? And then on the other side, you actually have one that's really good. Yeah, like this one's like the best one,
Yeah,
right? This one's the best one.
Yeah.
And then this one's also like the same as that one,
Lower,
right?
right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna have to replace probably both.
Yeah, because I don't want to put them on and then you're gonna have to take them off and replace them, right?
Yeah.
Do you want me to put the 2 that are good on the front for now?
Sure, yeah.
Lou, hey, get over here. Get over here. Get inside. Get inside. Go. Get inside. How's this car though? Like no
It's
problem?
good.
No
Yeah,
problem?
honestly, I've had it for like 5.5 years now. I was trying to get my mom to cancel her appointment at Speedy so that she could come here and get her
Oh,
tire
nice.
shaved. I mean, when you do put your content together, it's solid. So that quality's there.
Yeah. So I'm like, yo, I'm just trying to figure out like.
Yeah, like if you have the time. Sure. And it's obvious.
Here.
Alright guys, so that wrapped up the first day of me doing this at-home automotive service business. So your feedback is amazing for me because it helps me improve. Every day I'm learning and learning. I'm still an apprentice. I'm a level 3 apprentice for those who don't know. So I am trying to get my license and eventually get better with some of the jobs that I'm doing at work and then bring that home and, you know, just try to help out as many people as I can, save money and maintain their vehicles. So what I decided to do is have a little bank total. So for how much I'm making off these jobs, it'll be like the shop balance, I'd say, you know, like how much money I can reinvest into like this at-home business. So from this day, I only made $30 from the first winter tire swap. The second customer where you saw, you know, I only changed the front tires. I didn't charge her anything for that because we were gonna take care of that after. That job isn't complete yet because I still have to change the rear tires. Yeah, so far we got $30 in our shop balance. I know it's not a lot, but here's the thing, like this is a side hustle right now and this will slowly improve and get better. So just remember, it's not how you start, it's how you finish, right? So this was episode 1. If you guys enjoyed this, please do subscribe. We're trying to hit 1,000. We might hit it soon, but you never know. I will carry on with this series. I'll catch you guys in episode 2.